Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of something new. So first let's do the opening of this. So this is the product, and the brand of this product is Healthgenie. It is a facial therapist. It is a steam vaporizer. So don't use RO water, and it has LED power indicator, 2 settings, heat control 0, 1 and 2. Steam control design, fast heating, and it is also for facial and nasal mask. The feature of this product is for pore cleansing, deep hydration and purification of the face, dredge pores, removes grease and deep cleanses the skin, promotes the face blood circulations, replenishes water, maintains water balance of skin, increases skin elasticity, provides relief from cold and sinus problems, can use with essential oils to enjoy aromatherapy sauna at home, helps to eliminate fatigue, eliminate pouch and black rim of the eye. The water capacity of this product is 50 ml. Now we are going to open this. So the MRP of this product is rupees 3,299, but as I bought it from Amazon, I got discount and I paid 1,549 rupees. And we also have the warranty. The warranty is for 1 year. This is a steam sauna vaporizer machine, facial steamer and steam inhaler for cold and cough. So these are the cautions, instructions. So this is the product, and we also have a user manual in this. This is the user manual. All the things is written like component, precautions, product to usage, how to use, characteristics, etc. This is the product. Everything is very nicely packed. So this is the product. And it also has the indications like 0, 1, 2. For now I'll keep it as 0. And it has 1 year warranty. It has beauty benefits for kids, and health benefits, and it has vaporizer features like steaming in facial, use in cold Gestation relieves persistent cold and cough, opens clogged nasal and sinus, give relief in high fever, helps in chest, throat and chest. Now we are going to see how to use this product, and few instructions are also there, like always use fresh tap water and fill it up to the mark made at the steamer. Here there is a maximum mark. Till here you have to fill. Less than that don't fill, and more than that also don't fill, otherwise it will cause a little problem. And then also don't use RO water or filter water, only use the fresh tap water. And after using this vaporizer, immediately remove the plug and unplug it. Now I am going to pour the water. This is the measuring cup. I am going to pour the water first. Now I have filled it with the maximum. Now first I am going to keep this here. And then I am going to plug it. So I'll do it till 2. This light display shows us that it has already started heating the water. So we'll see how much time this vaporizer will take to heat up the water, and we will let the steam to arise. So this is used for the nasal and the sinus. We could do like that also. I'll keep this here. And now we do not need this. This was only for measuring the water.
What's up?
And if you want for your sinus or any other problem for nose, then you could use this thing. Otherwise, you could remove it and use for your face. So now voice has started coming from this vaporizer. We have to be very careful that the water does not comes out. And this vaporizer should be on flat surface. And it is used for cold and cough also. And you have to keep your face at a far distance from this vaporizer to get comfortable steam, and it is very useful for us. And then keep it on a straight and flat surface. Use it under adult supervisor, or keep it away from the children. Now the steam has started to come. If you want for cough or cold, then you could keep this in. If you don't want, then you could remove it also. It has auto cut feature also, and if you are using for face, then you could keep your face on this, and then for better use, then you could use a towel to cover yourself and the vaporizer for the face and nose. And it has auto cut features. After 15 minutes, it will get stop heating. It will turn off automatically. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.